Hi, I'm Sarah from Someday Sarah. I enjoy making these word filet crochet projects. It's a way that I can express myself while being creative. You can make words, pictures, or patterns. The first step that you need to do is to create your picture in a grid. I plan mine on a website called Stitch Fiddle. The more boxes that you have in your grid, the more detail that you can add, but also the bigger your crochet project will be. I use little triangles in the corners where I want my letters to be rounded. This will show me where I need to make different types of stitches, and I'll explain that in a later video. You can make them more or less complicated depending on your crochet skill level. The first image is a plan for simple double crochet stitches. The second image shows that you will need to know how to make 2 to 3 stitches together in order to create the angled stitches. These are some examples of the other things that I've made. Come back for step 2, coming soon. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.